Ma'am, which one?
From number 1, beta. Both of you do the sums and send me the answer in chat. Here you have to find out which of the following is not true. That is, among these options given, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That will be your correct answer. Avishikta, have you understood the sum? Both Avishikta and Rajdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Then send me the answer in chat.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I send.
No, you are wrong, Rajdeep. No. Sorry, Rajdeep, you are correct. Avishikta, can I get your answer, beta?
Ma'am, am I correct?
Yes, Avishikta, you are correct. Yes, now both of you do number 2 and send me the answer in chat. Avishikta, okay, Rajdeep, can you read the sum, beta?
Shiva and some tiles in the pattern shown here. Which number sentence best rep-
So, Siva arranged.
represents his arrangement of tiles?
So, what happens? Shiva arranged some tiles in pattern shown here. Which number sentence base represents his arrangement of tiles? You have to show the number sentence that fulfills this arrangement. Abhishekta, it's sorry. Abhishekta, it's correct, beta. Rajdev, send me number 2 first, beta. Have you understood the sum, Rajdeep? Rajdeep, have you understood the sum?
No, ma'am.
Okay, tell me how many tiles are arranged here. Count it in the sleeping position.
4.
And how many are in the standing position?
7.
So 7 and 4, what will you do? Will you add, multiply, divide, or subtract? Tell me, Rajdeep, to find out the total.
7 into 4 equal 28.
Very good, excellent. Okay, now both of you do number 3. Abhishekta, it's correct, beta.
Am I send?
Rajdeep, it's wrong. Abhishekta, can you explain number 3 to Rajdeep? Rajdeep, listen to Abhishekta, beta.
1 cube each 4 burgers and 1 boot and
Ma'am, option A. Ma'am, option A.
No,
and
no.
2 cube each 8. That means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And 1 bottle is equal
Option
to
A.
3 cupcakes. And here is 4 bottles. 4 bottles is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And then how many more cupcakes than burgers did he buy? 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Option A.
Ma'am, I send.
No, it's wrong, Rajdeep. I told you it's wrong.
Ma'am,
Okay.
option A.
No, it's
Am I
wrong.
send?
It's wrong. Okay, no, it's correct. Okay, both Abhishekta and Rajdeep, both of you are correct. Okay, now do number 4. Both Rajdeep and Abhishekta, do it and send me the answer in chat.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Amantu. Amantu, you can start from number 4.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
what is
Abhishekta, it's correct, beta. Amantu, can't you understand number 4?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of yards?
Years is
I
a
want to know.
unit, beta, that is used to measure a length. Okay, Rajdeep, have you understood number 4, beta?
No, ma'am.
Can you read it, Rajdeep?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen. Spring 6 years long. He needs 20 feet. Strings for a project. What should a Samrat do has to find out length of
Then log out and log in again, Amantu.
1 year. Okay. I have remembered the sum.
Okay, Rajdeep, what you need to do, like Shamrad has 6 years long ball of string. He needs 20 feet string for a project. What should Shamrad do first to find out the length of the strings he had? So what you need to do, he had a 6 years long string. So you need to find out how much string he already had. 1 year is equal to 3 feet. So 6 years is equal to how much?
Ma'am, I said. Is it correct?
Shatuki, number 4 is correct. Rajdeep, number 4 is correct. Amutu, are you there, beta?
Ma'am,
Can you see the screen?
there is a lot. No, ma'am. Ma'am, the network is very poor.
Amutu, you can
Starting the then
Amanta, please log out and log in again, beta. Avishikta, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the screen.
Rest of you all do number 5, 6, 7. Shatuki, Rajdeep and Avishikta.
I don't know number 5.
Yes, do number 5 and send it to me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can see.
I don't know what to say, beta. Okay, rest of you all, can you all see the screen?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know number 5.
Ma'am, I said, is it correct?
Wait, I'm checking. Shatuki, can you read number 5? Yes, Rajdeep, Abhishekta, it's correct.
Shows the common factors of
Shatuki, can
12
you
and
read number
15.
5?
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following shows the common factors of 12 and 15?
Do you know the meaning of factors, Shatuki?
No, ma'am.
Factors means with which number you can divide both 12 and 15 without having any remainder.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you understood the sum, Shatuki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it and send me the answer in chat.
Can I do number 6? Ma'am.
Yes, do number 6. But first, all of you send me the number 5. Yes, Rajdeep and Abhishekta, both of you can do number 6. And Shivam, you can do from number 5. Shatoki, beta, I need your number 5. Have you understood number 5?
Ma'am, I have understood, but I cannot do it.
Why can't you do it? Tell me, among this number, can 1 divide both 12 and 15 without having any remainder?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I have a problem. Sorry.
Shivam, number 5 is correct. Shatoki, have you understood number 5? If yes, then please send me the answer better.
Now I am doing this.
Okay. Shivam, number 6 is wrong, beta.
Ma'am, is it option C? Yes, it is option C.
Though it's not option C. Can you read the question, Shivam?
Product of third multiple of 4 and 9 is option A.
No. 4 into 9 is
No.
Shivam.
4 into 9 is 54.
No, it's not 54. 6 into 9 is 54.
Oh, sorry. 4 into 9 is 36. 36.
So 36, it is asking for the third multiple. So 36 into 3 is how much?
108.
So that should be your answer. Number 7 is wrong, Shivam.
And number 7 is option B, ma'am.
No.
Number 7 is option B.
No, it's also wrong, Shivam.
Option D.
No. C.
Ma'am,
Option
ma'am,
Yes, Abhishekta.
third multiple of 4 is 12 and 9. And third multiple of 9 is 27. And
No, it's not like that. The product of the third multiple of 4 and 9. Product means what is the result after multiplication of 4 into 9. First, you have to find out the product of 4 and 9. Product means the answer of 4 multiplied by 9. That is called the product. And third multiple means if you multiply that product with 3, that is called the third multiple. Is it clear, Abhishekta?
ma'am, third multiple of the product of 4 and 9.
Have you understood the sum, Abhishekta? Number 7, all the answers are wrong, Shivam. First, see, here you have to divide 1364 with 3.
Option
And the answer is coming as 454 in the quotient and the remainder is 2. So what will you
It is
do?
option B. A. Option A. Option A. I understood.
You have to send me the answers in chat, Shiva.
Ma'am, I understood, but the language is not clear to me.
Do you know what is the meaning of product, Abhishekta?
Product means into.
Yes, product means the answer that we get after the multiplication of two or more numbers. That is called product. So here the numbers are 4 and 9. If you multiply 4 and 9, what is the answer coming?
36.
So 36, and it is asking for the third multiple. So if you multiply 3 with 36, what is the answer coming?
Then the language should it third multiple of product 4 and 9.
No, it's asking about the product of the third multiple of 4 and 9 is. You can also make it 4 into 9 into 3. The answer will be same. Product of the third multiple of 4 and 9 is. Third multiple means you have to multiply 3 with these numbers. Multiply means multiple means one of the numbers will be 3. Is it clear, Abhishekta? If I say the sum is done by Abhishekta and if I say Abhishekta has done the sum, both the meaning are same or different, beta? Abhishekta, tell me.
Ma'am, why my problem is wrong?
Because you are multiplying 9 and 3 and 4 into 3, but you have to multiply it together, not separately. Have you understood, Abhishekta? Number 5 is correct, Shatuki. Number 8 is long, Rajdeep.
Is it correct, ma'am?
No, it's long.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajdeep, it's long.
Ma'am, why wrong?
See, here,
36. Please explain number 6. My answer is coming 324.
Shatuki, if you multiply 4 into 9, what is the answer coming, beta?
36.
Very good. And if you multiply 36 with 3, because it is asking for the product of third multiple of 4 and 9. So if you multiply 36 and 3, what is the answer coming?
108. 36 is what?
Ma'am, what should I do first? Product and or third multiple?
You can do all the things together, beta. You can find out the product first or you can do the third multiple first. Do whatever you feel like. But always keep in mind that the three numbers you have to multiply it together, not separately. Yes, number 8 is correct. Shivam, Rajdeep, sorry, number 8 is correct. Shatuki, number 6 is correct.
Ma'am, it's correct, ma'am.
Yes, 8 is correct. Abhishekta, I'm waiting for you with a complete number 6, 7, 8.
Example number 3, daily life vlogs. খুবই একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস দেখা
Ma'am, number 7, option A.
First, tell me what is the answer of number 6, beta? Yes, number 7 is correct, Abhishekta.
Ma'am, number 6, option A B.
Very good. Now rest of you all can do from number 8 to number 12. Yes, Abhishekta, you can start from number 8 better. Everyone do from number 8 and send me the answer in chat. If anyone is facing any problem with any sum, he or she can tell me that. Okay, Shatuki has not completed number 7. Shatuki complete
Number 9.
number 9. Rajdeep and Shivam, both of you are correct. Shatuki, do it fast, better. Number 7. Shatuki, have you understood number 7?
Yes, ma'am, I have got the answer.
Shatuki, number 7 is correct. Very good.
Mama, do not see number 10.
Now, Shatuki, send me number 8, and Abhishekta, you too send me number 8. And rest of you all can send me from number 10.
Ma'am, I cannot see number 8 full.
Shivam, number 10 is correct. Rajdeep, number 10 is correct. Yes, number 11 is correct, Shivam. Shivam, number 10 is correct. Abhishekta, number 8 is correct. Shatuki, what about number 8? Beta, what happened? Have you understood the sum?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Do it fast and send me better. Rajdeep, number 11 is wrong, beta. There are Shubham brought 8 bags of blue balls and 6 bags of white ball. Each bag had 9 balls in it. Which expression could be used to find the total number of balls he brought? Abhishekta, number 9 is correct. Number 9 is correct, Abhishekta.
Mama, again, number 7. Is it correct?
Yes, 11 is correct, Rajdeep. Shatuki, complete number 8 fast. Beta, what happened? Have you understood the sum?
Ma'am, please show me number 6.
How can I? Shatuki has not completed number 8 till now. Shatuki, have you completed number 8, beta?
No, I am now doing the division.
Ma'am,
Till
please show me number 12.
Shatuki is still on number 8, beta. Do it fast, Shatuki. Very good. Number 8 is correct, Shatuki. Now do number 9, 10, 11, 12 very fast, Shatuki. Rest of you all can do from number 12.
Ma'am, please show me number 6.
Number 6. Why?
Ma'am, the third multiple of 4 is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. The product of 12 and 9 is 12 into 9 is equal to 108.
Very good. It is also correct. Abhishek. Yes,
Ma'am,
Shatuki,
I
number
think
9
this is
is
the
correct.
correct way.
Yes, tell me, Abhishekta.